Yes, our today's topic in class 12th accountancy chapter 3 admission of partner, and we will move towards second method, that is calculation of new profit sharing ratio by from method. From means there will be some different condition. So the day before yesterday or yesterday I explained you the first method, and first method was simple method without any condition. But children, today I am going to explain you the second method, and second method clearly mentioned from word. Look at the board. NPR, new profit sharing ratio, second method, and word given from. This is chapter 3, admission of partner, and I explained you earlier also, while a new partner admit in the firm, partners will calculate new profit sharing ratio, because in future the new partner will also share some profits or losses in the firm. So for distribution of future profits, we calculate new profit ratio. So this is second method and clearly mentioned from. So I am giving you one example of the NCERT illustration 3, and in illustration 3 it is given on page number 118. Illustration 3, page number 118. Anshu and Neetu are partners for 3:2, and they admitted J for 3/10 share. See here, Anshu and Neetu are partners for 3:2 share, and J is incoming partner for 3/10. Up to here, this is first method. But in the question, it is given that J will get 2/10 from Anshu and 1/10 from Neetu. So this is the condition. So when we read the question, if there is some condition, we can write here, and inflow is the symbol of incoming partner. Now how we will do it? See, this is example 3, page number 118 of the NCERT. Anshu and Neetu are partners for 3:2. They admitted Jyoti for 3/10 share, and this 3/10, Jyoti will take 2/10 from A, 1 Anshu, and 1/10 from Neetu. So how to solve it? Now I will give you steps one by one. Look at the board. See, first we calculate share of, or we can say sacrifice of A. A means Anshu. Sacrifice of A is 2/10. Now new of A. How to calculate new share? Already I explained you. The partner, old partners will sacrifice their part of profit in favor of new partner. So here we will calculate new share by simple way, old minus sacrifice. Old minus sacrifice. Now see, what is the age old ratio? That is 3/5. What is his sacrifice? 2/10. Got it? Again, I am explaining you how to calculate new ratio. We should calculate new ratio by subtracting sacrifice from old share. See here, A's old share is 3/5 and sacrifice is 2/10. Now what to do? Take the LCM, that will be 10. 5 2s are 2, 3s are minus 2, that is 4 by 10. No, so we can say A share is 4 by 10. Now, from after admitting J, the new share of A will be 4 by 10. I will explain you now the sacrifice of B. Sacrifice of another partner is 1 by 10. Now how to calculate nu of n, Neetu's share? By the same way, old minus sacrifice. Old is 2 by 5, sacrifice is 1 by 10. Again we will take LCM, 2 2s are minus 1, that is 3 by 10. But how to calculate now the ratio of all the three partners? Because new profit sharing ratio means profit sharing ratio of all the partners, including new. Because new means the new partner, incoming partner will also be there to share the future profit. So as I explained you, A and J. A share is 4 by 10. N share is 3 by 10. And J share clearly given 3 by 10. Here the denominator is same. So our answer will be clearly 4, 3, 3. 4, 3, 3 will be new profit sharing ratio. I will explain you again the second method. Second method given with some condition, and the condition is from word. Means in the question you will have from. See illustration 3, NCERT, page number 118. Anshu and Neetu are partners for 3:2. They admit J means Jyoti for 3 by 10. She will get 2 by 10 from A, Anshu 1 by 10 from Neetu. So 2 by 10 is the sacrifice of A, and 1 by 10 is sacrifice of N. And when we calculate sacrifice 2 by 10 and 1 by 10, then we will calculate new ratio of A. New of A is very simple way. Old means earlier. A was getting 3 by 5. Then 2 by 10 she sacrifices. So now the remaining part, old minus sacrifice, the part she has given to the new partner, the part remaining will be termed as new. So 10 divided by 5. Now you will take the LCM, make the denominator common, that is 10. 5 2s are 2 3s are 6. 10 1s are 1 2s are 6 minus 2, 4 by 10. Same way we will calculate share of N. N sacrifice is 1 by 10. And new, how to calculate new? Same formula, old minus sacrifice. Old is 2 by 5, sacrifice is 1 by 10, that is 4 minus 1, because we make the denominator common by taking LCM, that is 3 by 10. But as I explain you that you should write all the partners while putting NPR, new profit ratio. So here see, A share is 4 by 10, N share is 3 by 10, J share is 3 by 10. 4, 3, 3. will be our answer. Note down, children. Then I'll give you another question. Okay, got it? Now, second question we will do it from NCERT only. I'm changing the question. Now, I will explain you if sacrifice by one partner only. See, this is not necessary that all old partners may be sacrificed in favor of new partner. Maybe only one or only two partners will be sacrificed and another partner may be not sacrificed. So in this condition, don't worry, the method will be same. Formula will be same. This is illustration 5, again NCERT, page number 119. If you don't have NCERT, please download it from CBSE site. NCERT, page number 119, illustration 5. If you don't have book, okay, I am giving you the question, please note down. Das and Sina are partners for 4:1. So how to write? Look at the board. Okay, note it down fast. Okay. Now look at the board, how to do it. Again, illustration 5, page number 119 of NCERT. Calculation of new profit ratio. Second method, from, and it is necessary to calculate new profit ratio at the time of admission, because the new incoming partner will also share the future profits. So now I am explaining you when only few partners sacrificed, others don't. Method will be same, but look here, this is illustration 5, page number 119, Das and Sina are the partners for 4:1. 4:1 means if the firm earns 5 rupees, 4 will be given to Das and 1 rupee will be given to Sina. So Das and Sina are the old partners. Now they admit Pal, a new partner. So by this way, you will write Pal is the new partner for 1/4 share. And please write, which he acquired wholly from Das. It means only Das is sacrificed. So look here, he acquired wholly from Das. Children, by this line, we can understand that only Das is sacrificing. Sina is not sacrificing anything. Clearly, wholly from Das. So what to do now? See, sacrifice of Das is equals to 1/4 new ratio. Children, again, how to calculate new ratio? Okay. Yes. Old minus sacrifice. Old minus sacrifice. We calculate first Das share. Yes, look at the board. What is the Das share? 4/5. Very good. 4/5. And sacrifice, he is sacrificing 1/4. 1/4. Children got it? Old here. This is the old ratio. 4:1 means 4/5. Sacrifice, Sacrifice of D is 1 by 4. Whole by Das only. We calculate first we calculate new ratio. Now how to do it? In earlier classes you learn LCM by the same way. This is 20. 20 divided by 5, 4. 4s are 16. 20 divided by 4, 5 ones are 5. So the share is 11 by 20. The share is 11 by 20. Very good. Now we calculate next partner share. Who is next partner? Sina. So Sina, just now I told you Sina is not sacrificing. There are various conditions of calculating NPR. This is the second condition where this partner Sina is not sacrificing anything. So the old ratio and new ratio will be same because he is not sacrificing anything. So Sina's old share is 1 by 5. Here also he will take 1 by 5 only. Got it? Children, you got it? Now, by the same way, we have to calculate new ratio. New ratio, how to calculate? Das, Sina, and the third partner, Pal. Yes, the share is 11 by 20. Sinha share is 1 by 5. No change. Why no change? Just now I told you he is not sacrificing because in favor of new partner, Pal, only Das is sacrificing wholly from Das. It means the whole profit given by Das only. It means Sina is not sacrificing, but for new profit ratio, we have to add new partner also, and new partner share is 1 by 4. Very good. But we cannot stop the answer here. As I explained you, we have to make the denominator common. How to make the denominator common in class 6, 7, 8 you have learned, I'm sure. 20 is the LCM. 20 divided by 20. 111s are 20 divided by 5. 4 ones are 20 divided by 4. 5 ones are. And this is the answer in lowest term. So our answer will be in this type. In the block you should write in the exam. So examiner can get the answer easily and give you the marks easily. So 11, 4, 5. Very good. Now children, you can check your answer in the exam also. Total these numbers and the numerator should be equal to denominator. 11 and 4, 15 and 5, 20. So 20 upon 20 means our answer is correct. Children, you can note down. This is illustration 5, page number 119. From method, Das and Sina are the partners for 4:1. They admitted Pal, new partner, 1 by 4 share, wholly from Das only. So sacrifice by Das only. New ratio, same formula, old minus sacrifice. We will calculate Das share. Das share is old share was 4 by 5 and sacrifice 1 by 4. Now you will take the LCM. Got it? Okay. Now Sina's old share will be same as new share. You can calculate. Old share was 1 by 5 and sacrifice 0. It means 1 by 5. Now keep these partners in the same line with the new partner also. Good. Dash 11 by 20. Sina 1 by 5. Pal 1 by 4. But we should not stop the answer here, because in the CBSE guideline it is clearly mentioned that the answer will be in the fraction form with the same denominator. So my dear children, that will be LCM is 20 to 20, and we can take the LCM 20 divided by 20, 11, 20 divided by 5, 4, 20 divided by 4, that is 5. So our answer will be 11 is to 4 is to 5. 11 is to 4 is to 5. Got it? Any problem? Check. Okay. So now we will move towards little bit difficult questions. Okay. Shall I rub it? Good. Now NCERT question number 7, page number 168. Note down children. Question number 7, page number 168 will be our another question. Note down. Question number 7, page number 168 of NCERT. Page number 168. A and B are partners for 3:2. This is given on page number 168. C is a new partner for 3 by 7 share. 3 by 7. Then it is mentioned in the question, clearly given, 2 by 7 from A, 1 by 7 from B. So here 2 by 7 from A, 1 by 7 from B. It means this is the second condition with the from word. Clearly children, from A, 2 by 7, simple. 2 by 7 from A, it means A sacrifices 2 by 7. So you will write by the same way. Don't change your steps. That will be same. Sacrifice of A is 2 by 7. Good. How to calculate new, my dear? Yes, dear children. Very good answer. New ratio is equals to old minus sacrifice. Old minus sacrifice. Okay. What is the A's old share? 3 upon 5. Very good. 3 upon 5. Minus sacrifice. That is 2 by 7. Now you will take the LCM, that is 35. 35 divided by 5. 7 3s are 21. 35 divided by 7. 5 2s are 10. That will come 11 upon 35. This is 10. By the same way, we have to calculate sacrifice of B. Sacrifice of B given 1 by 7. And new by the same way. That's why I am writing here, so you can understand As the way you are taking to calculate new ratio of A, by the same way you will calculate the another ratio, another partners. See, new, same formula, old minus sacrifice. Now B's old ratio is 2/5. Sacrifice is 1/7. LCM again 35. 35 divided by 5. 7 2s are 14. 35 divided by 7. 5. So his ratio will be 9/35. But we cannot stop our answer here because we are calculating new profit ratio, which is included new partner also. So here we keep all the three partners together, A, B, C. A's ratio is 11/35. B's ratio is 9/35. And what is the C's ratio? Clearly given in the question, that is 3/7. Now we have to take the LCM, that will be 35. 35 divided by 35, that is 11. 35 divided by 35, that is 9. 9 ones are 35 divided by 7. 5 threes are 15. So our answer will be 11:9:15. 11:9:15. Children, I'm sure you are getting the answer. If you are unable to understand, I'll explain you again. Here, this is the question number 7, page number 168 of NCERT. A and B are partners for 3:2. C is incoming partner for 3/7 share. If the question is up to here, that is first method. But this question is given with the some condition, and this is the condition that 2/7 from A, 1/7 from B. It means sacrifice of A is 2/7. New ratio is equals to old minus sacrifice. Old ratio is 3/5. Sacrifice is 2/7. And we calculate by taking LCM. New ratio 11/35. By the same way, we have to calculate B share. Sacrifice of B is 1/7. New ratio, old minus sacrifice. Old is 2/5. Sacrifice is 1/7. Then you will take the LCM and do it. Very good. But this is the share of A and this is the share of B. For new profit ratio, we have to keep all the partners together with the new partner. Here A share is 11/35, B share is 9/35, C share is 3/7, and you will take the answer 11, 9 and 15. Now I am giving you questions as homework with the same method, same steps, same method. S and C, S sacrifice and new, C common. So question number 3, page number 167, NCERT. Okay, NCERT. Question number 3, page number 167. Question number 4, question number 5, question number 6. Page number 168 of NCERT, prescribed by CBSE. These 4 questions you will do by the same method. And if you don't have NCERT, I will give you the question. Okay. Otherwise, you can download it from CBSE site also. That is given clearly, available in the market. Okay. If you don't have book, okay, I am giving you the question. That is page number 167. Question number 3, note down. X and Y are partners in 5:3. They admitted Z for 1/10 share, which he acquired equally from X and Y. Calculate new profit ratio. This is question number 3. Then question number 4. A, B, C are partners in 2:2:1. Already 3 partners. They admitted D for 1/8 share, which he acquired entirely from A. It means sacrificed by A only. Calculate NPR. This is question number 4 of NCERT, page number 168. Good. Next, question number 5. P and Q are partners in 2:1. They admitted R. R is the new partner. R into partnership 1/5 share for 1/5 share, which he acquired from P and Q in 1:2 ratio. Calculate NPR. This is the NCERT question, question number 5, page number 168. Good. The next question number 6. It is little bit difficult. Try to do it. If you are unable to do it, discuss with me. I will explain you. A, B, C are partners in 3:2:2. They admitted D for 1/5 share, which he acquired from A, B, and C in 2:2:1 ratio. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. So children, these 4 questions will be you have to do by the same method. I'm sure you must understand, and still if you have doubt, feel free to ask.